Today's topic is multiplication of the two 8-bit numbers. So in 8085 there is no special instruction for multiplication and division. So for multiplication we have to do the repeated addition. Repeated addition. So already we know how to add the two 8-bit numbers. So we have to get the one number for the accumulator and another number to the another register. Then using the add instruction we can perform the addition of the two 8-bit numbers. So using that concept only, here also we are going to do the multiplication. So let us see the program, assembly language program for the multiplication. So LDA 5000. So this is the memory location. So see here in the memory location 5000. So there is one data 05. Then in 5001 another data 02. So we are multiplying 05 into 02. The answer is 10. 10. So instead of doing the multiplication, we can add 05 plus 05. The answer will be 10. So using this repeated addition concept only, we are doing the multiplication. So here 05 is one value, another value is 02. So 2 times we can add this first value, that is 05 and 05 we will get 10. So LDA 5000. So in the 5000 we are getting the value as 05. So A is equal to 05. A is equal to 05H. Next, move C, A. Move C, A. So we are moving the data from accumulator to C register. So C is equal to 05H now. Next we will get the another value LDA 5001. So 5001 means we are getting the another value from this memory location. So that is 02. So accumulator is equal to 02H now. So now we have got the two values, accumulator as 02 and C register as 05. Next, this value is moving to the another register, B register, temporarily. So move B, A. So now B is equal to 02H. Next, we have to make 00 to the accumulator. So MPI A, 00H. So now A is equal to 00H. Then we have to perform addition operation. So now this A value is 00. We have to add 05, then another 05. So we have to add this A value with this C value. So we can substitute as add C. So add C means this A value is added with this C register. So A is equal to C plus A. So now C value is 05 plus A value is 00. We will get as 05. Now the accumulator value is 05. So next, this value 05 is added one time. So we have to reduce the B register as 02 as 01. Because we have to add 2 times as 05, but one time is completed. So we have to reduce this one B register value. So 0, 1. So using that decrement instruction, we can reduce. So decrement B. So now B register will be 0, 1. So next we have to check whether the B register is 0, 0 or not. So using the jump on no 0 instruction, we can check the loop whether the B register is 0, 0 or not. So using the jump on no 0 instruction. So J, N is that loop. So jump on no 0 means we have to add again the C register value. So this loop can be given to this one, loop 1. So again we have to add. So already A value is 0, 5. So again we have to add. So A is equal to again 0, 5 plus 0, 5. The answer will be 1, 0. So now the B register will be decremented. So decrement B. So decrement B means now the B value will be 0, 0. So it comes back to the 0, 0 position. So 2 times it is added. So it comes out to the loop. So we have to store the jump on 0 means again you have to store the output. So store accumulator value to the another location. So already we have used the input as 5000 as 05 and then 5001 as 02. So next we have to store the output as 5002. So 5002 is the output. 5002 then halt. So if we are adding the in the hexadecimal value, so first one is the A value is 05. So 05 means it is 0000 then 0 1 0 1. So next we have to add another 5 2 times 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Then what will be the output? 1 plus 1 is 0. Here it is 1. So here it is 1. Then 1 plus 1 0. Here 1. Then 1 0 0 0 0. So in hexadecimal value, this can be written as 0A. So the output of the accumulator value, ALU value is 0A. Input is 05, that is 5000 05, then 5001 02. The output is 5002 0A. This is the output. So like this only we have to do the multiplication in 8085. So repeated addition we have to perform. So the next class we can see the division of two 8-bit numbers.